Hello, today I'm reviewing this RGB lamp and I will actually did one of the video to show you how easily it is to put together. But in this video I kind of want to go with you through all of the modes this lamp has and also tell you why I chose this one over others for my office space. So one of the things I want to mention before I can go through this remote, that it actually has remote on the floor right here if you see. So the first bigger button right here, it's actually a turn on and off right here. The second one, we can switch between modes. And right here, we can actually switch the speed. And one of the cool features about this lamp that you not only can do it right there, you can also do it through the remote, or you can also download the app on your phone and control it easily through your phone. And here I actually want to show you this remote. So you can see we have our button on and off. We also have our music button, which can actually synchronize with the music playing in the background. You can have your mode plus and mode minus right here. We can switch between sync dynamics. You can also make it more dimmable if you want, or we can make it more brighter if you want right here. And right here in the middle, you have automatic switching between the modes. But another thing I really love about this remote that you can see, we have R as a red. With the G, you can turn the green color right here. Then you have button B, which is a blue light right here. And then we have warm white light. You can turn that mode, or you can go between cold white light right here. Or you can just press auto and it just slowly start going through all of the modes. And overall, I really want to tell you how much I love this RGB lamp. So this lamp has 114 different modes. So you can for sure find some mode you really love or you want to have in your background. And I also love that you can control it through your remote, you can control it through the app, or you can just simply press on and off button and find the right mode you're looking for. Overall, I have been super happy and highly recommend to check this lamp out. Thanks for watching.